This is how your ring can start to look over time. Dull, cloudy, and full of buildup. But cleaning it at home is actually very simple. First, start by taking a bowl of warm water. Now add a few drops of a mild cleaning solution and gently mix it until it's fully blended. Next, place your ring into the solution, making sure it's fully dipped, and let it soak so the dirt can start loosening up easily. Then, take a soft brush and gently start cleaning the ring. Focus on the small corners and under the stone. That's where most of the dirt builds up. Take your time and clean it properly. After that, rinse the ring in clean water, so there's no solution left on the ring. Finally, take a soft, lint-free cloth and gently dry the ring, so that it looks clean and spot-free. And you can already see the difference, from dull to bright ring in just 5 minutes.